So hello guys, today we'll be taking you through how you could clear deceptive websites. If your site is showing this and you want to clear it off, it's very easy. I'll be taking you through how you could clear this off your website today. Google usually shows this deceptive website ahead because some site might be attacked by hackers and some sites might be taking information that is not supposed to take. So this always pop up for deceptive website ahead. So to clear it is very easy. You need to open your Google. Just go to Google Webmaster Tools. I think they've changed the name now, but search for Google Webmaster Tools. You'll see Google Webmaster Tools here. This one, the developer, google.com. Then you click on Get Started. So you click on Google Webmaster Tools and you click on Start Now. Now you need to verify the website properties with your Gmail account. So what you need to do is to copy the website URL, and you need to also have access to the back end of the website. Then you click on Continue. It's going to try to verify your website. Then you need to download this one. This document you downloaded, you need to upload it on your website. That's your cPanel. So I'll need to open my cPanel. This is my cPanel. I need to go to File Manager. Now this is my file manager for the website. Now I need to upload the document I downloaded from my webmaster to this page. Because you need your site to be verified first. So I've uploaded it now. So I'll go back to my webmaster and click on verify. I'm verified successfully. So I can now go into my properties to see my website. Why is it showing deceptive? So sorry, still loading. Okay, now you got it. A security issue, one issue detected. So this is the reason why my site is showing deceptive. Now I would need to clear this deceptive off my website. The first thing I will need to do now is I'll go back to my cPanel. Now this is my file for the website. I will need to zip this file off the website first. Create a video. Okay, so I'll name it as file. Creating a folder name file. Then I'll move all my documents here, all this file. I'll move everything into that folder I just created called file. Okay, select all. Don't forget, you don't need to select the folder you're moving items into. There is unselect that. Then you click on move and /file. You need to move it into your file. Everything will move. No, everything now is inside this file document. So what you need to do is, why I do this is because I don't want to lose my content for my document. So I need to just zip this file. To compress it to a zip file. It's loading. So now it has successfully been zipped. Then you need to delete this one. The site is empty. Sorry, I mistakenly deleted the uploaded file. I just need to upload it back. Yeah, this one. Now my site is empty. Now I'll go back to my webmaster to fix this error. Just request a review from them. Put any write-up you can use to convince them, and wait for 24 hours. They will fix your website for you, and your website will be back to life. So when your website is fixed, you can now unzip the files you zipped already. Yeah, be a message that pops up, your request is submitted successfully. So you need to wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, Google will text you, message you that your website has been fixed. Then you can now go back to your cPanel, then just unzip this file back and we are good to go. So you make sure your file is not corrupted. So with this, you are good to go. Thank you.